Hi everyone, today's video is meringues. Meringues are made by whisking egg whites, adding sugar and then baking them. The science behind it is that when you whisk the egg whites, you are denaturing the protein, which then allows air to be trapped in between. And as the meringue is baked, that then coagulates, which holds it into place. A few tips for this is that you need to make sure that you have a clean bowl, preferably a glass bowl. You add the sugar a spoon at a time. Don't be tempted to pour it in because it will actually ruin your meringues. And don't over whisk the whites as well. If you do start to over whisk them, they will separate and then you won't get the right texture for your meringue. To make this an even more complex skill, you could pipe it and try and make meringue nests, or you could make little meringue kisses that you could put onto a cheesecake or perhaps decorate some cakes with them. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you managed to make some fabulous meringues. As usual, I'd love to see your photographs, so please email them to me. Take care everyone, speak soon. Bye.